first noticeable time saving that we made using Sage ERP X3 was the fact that we didn't have to manually match goods received notes to invoices any longer. This is all now done on the system, which has saved a lot of time in the accounts department. Sage ERP X3 is really useful in the fact that you can analyse costs down to different levels. For example, as a Formula 1 team, we like to know how much it costs us to go to a race, and we can actually analyse all our costs that have been incurred for a race.
En ce qui nous concerne, le changement d'outil a été nettement influé effectivement par le volet financier et fonctionnel, mais là on parle du financier, ça nous a permis d'économiser de l'ordre de 200 € par an. Donc ce qui nous a permis, par rapport à la réduction des coûts d'infogérance, que nous n'avons plus, puisque maintenant notre système est administré en interne, ça nous a permis d'assurer un retour sur investissement au bout de 3 ans.
Reporting is a big part of what I do. We've been able to customize reports to our organizational needs. We have gone paperless in our billing and accounts receivable and our journal entry functions, where we actually attach the documents in the system so I can still manage my department while I'm traveling to our multiple locations.
How do you put a value on business intelligence? We're able to gather now marketing information that we were never able to gather before, knowing where our business is coming from, by zip code, by product type, and it is able to give us the ability to be more profitable.
We use the Sage ERP X3 application for just about every process in the business. From the opening volley with customer work, where we do sales orders, that sales order is processed onto work order format. We then receive the materials that our customer is using for that product through our purchase order and receiving. We produce through the work order, and then we ship out through the Sage system. Inventory management, production management, the shipping, the sales order, and finally the invoicing are all managed through Sage ERP X3.
Implementing Sage ERP X3 has taken us from being a passenger to being a driver. We control the software, we control the business, and it's put the power of an ERP system in the hands of the users. That's the big value I see.